Start by visiting Upwork.com and signing up as a freelancer. You can use your email or sign in with Google or Facebook for quick access. Enable multi-factor authentication immediately after signing up to secure your account. Build your profile starting with a compelling headline that highlights your expertise. Next, write a detailed overview highlighting your skills and experience. Use keywords from your target jobs for better visibility. Add up to 10 skills from Upwork's database to showcase your expertise. Upload samples of your work or links to your portfolio, detailing outcomes like increased website traffic by 40%. Set your hourly rate, starting as low as $5 per hour, to attract clients and indicate your weekly availability. Finally, add any relevant education and certifications to build credibility. Aim for a profile completion rate of 90% or higher to improve your chances of approval. Start by submitting your identity verification using a passport or driver's license, along with your phone number. The review process typically takes 1 to 3 days. To boost your approval chances, use a professional headshot, avoid generic buzzwords, and secure endorsements from past clients. If applicable, complete the Freelancer Readiness Test. Upwork's AI-powered Profile Boost tool analyzes your profile and suggests improvements to increase visibility and approval rates, which are around 70% for well-prepared profiles. Consider using AI tools like ChatGPT to create more optimized and personalized profile content. Upwork has integrated blockchain-based verification for identity checks, enhancing security and reducing fraudulent accounts. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Keep it up to date to stay competitive and improve your job success score through quality work and client relationships.